Up in the sky a bird takes flight, carrying whispers through the night. Feathers shimmer, dreams aglow in the moon's soft silver flow.
Across valleys and rolling hills, seeking wonders the heart fulfills.
Through the breeze, life's secrets streamed on the wings of hopes and dreams. Oh, fly, little bird, so free, with a heart full of mystery. In your feathers, dreams reside. On the wind, you gently glide. Mountains whisper ancient tales through the storms and gentle gales. In your flight, the stories spin from the past to where we've been. Dive and dance in twilight's hue, find the world created new. Each feather a wish unknown in the sky's wide open throne. Through the clouds and the stars above, so the threads of endless love. By the dawn, make dreams take flight in the glow of morning's light.